First, get your Chinese paintbrush and put into the water, make it soft. When it gets soft, let's squeeze the water out. Check the correct way to hold the paintbrush. 2 fingers in the front and 2 fingers in the back. Get your practice paper of the spring one and then let's start it. First, when you put the paintbrush into the ink, we need to use the rim of the cup to scrape off the extra ink. Now you can follow the step to practice the Chinese character of the spring. And then when you practice over Chinese calligraphy, we always push down at the beginning and then pull back at the end. Also, we need to use the middle tip of the paintbrush during the whole writing. After you thinking you done enough practicing, let's start write on the red paper. First, we will fold the center line to make sure we can put our words in the middle. Now it's all a similar step like we did in the spring carrot. So let's keep practicing, and when you're done the practicing, you also can start write on the red paper. The key point of the English calligraphy is that you need to keep a strong contrast of the thick line and the skinny line. And remember, you always need to using the middle tip of the paintbrush to write the whole thing, so you can make sure your line will look great. Let's draw the ox by using the Chinese paintbrush. First, we start from the home, and remember, we still need to use the middle tip of the paintbrush. And then when we're doing the body of the line, each line we get fade out at the end of the line instead of pull back. So we'll get like a relaxing texture at the end. For the ground, you can using your finger to flat the paintbrush and then using side of a paintbrush to do it. After you've done your entire practicing, you can start writing on any character you like on the red cardboard. In here, we're using a lucky character to do in the example.